Hi, Dr. Jkondrup here. I'd like to take a few minutes to share with you a patented debris collection device called the LI Endofield. The LI Endofield was developed years ago because of a special need for a special kind of surgery. The patient was 18 weeks pregnant and had an 18 centimeter dermoid cyst that was causing pain and pressure. At the time, there wasn't a device on the market that could go under the uterus and also the ovary to collect any debris that should fall out of the dermoid cyst. The surgery was successful, and then we developed the LI Endofield to cover the entire abdomen and pelvis for those types of surgeries that need a large debris collection device. I'm sure there are times as a GYN surgeon, a GYN oncology surgeon, or possibly a urological surgeon or a general surgeon where there are times where you need a device that captures debris that's falling during your surgery, whether it be a splenectomy or a myomectomy or dealing with a large cyst that you don't know the nature of the contents, possibly a borderline cancer, a granulosa cell tumor, or a very large dermoid. The LI Endofield goes down a 10 or a 15 millimeter trocar, and then once introduced, the LI Endofield will open up and will also mold to the patient's anatomy. Unlike other devices, the LI Endofield has metal railings that allow the device to be molded laparoscopically or during an open case to the anatomy of the patient's pelvis. Once the collection device is in place, you can go ahead and do your surgery and the debris falls into the LI Endofield. At the end of the surgery, the railings come out, then the bag closes, and you can bring the bag through the trocar site, drain the contents of the bag, or in an open surgery, simply lift the entire endofield out of the pelvis and abdomen. Let me demonstrate for you what it looks like. So this is a rough copy of the LI Endofield. As you can see, it rolls up and goes nicely down a 15 millimeter trocar. When it is manufactured, it's patented but not manufactured yet, it'll fit nicely down a trocar. Once it's in, the bag opens up. There's markings to orient you as to what's the top and bottom. And as you can see, it opens up this way, and the metal railings allow you to shape the bag to the patient's anatomy. Now you can put it underneath the uterus or whatever organ you're operating on. So once you're done with the surgery, the LI Endofield will be in place like this, and this end will be towards the trocar, or if it's an open case, you just lift the entire device out. But if it's a laparoscopic case, you simply will grasp the railing, it'll come out. You'll get the other railing, it'll come out. And now you just pull on the tab, the bag will close, and all your debris will be inside the bag. Now you can pull it up through the trocar and open the bag if you'd like and drain out all of the debris. Or if you're doing an open surgery, just lift it out. So this is the LI Endofield. Now, it's not manufactured yet. We've had to make each one by hand in a sterile fashion before the surgery. And I encourage you to either reach out to your device rep, encourage their company to take a look at the patented LI Endofield, or if you're a startup or your device manufacturer, please give the LI Endofield a consideration. It would meet an unfulfilled need. And if you'd like to contact me, you can reach me at jkondrup@cnyfertility.com. jkondrup@cnyfertility.com. Thank you very much. Okay, so this is the LI Endofield version 4. A couple of minor changes. So basically, here's the basic bag, and so this goes
intra-abdominally and covers like the entire pelvis and the abdomen. This is the 8-inch bag. This is good for most patients. As you can see, a couple of the changes include the fact that the railings that hold the bag open, they're inside the bag on this end so they don't poke through, so they won't touch any tissue. And so it's closed on this end. The string wraps all the way around. It's one single string this time instead of 2 strings. So we've got that going through there. Now we have tabs, 2 sets of tabs here and 2 sets of tabs there. And this is great for putting the endoclose through or proline through or something like that, or barb suture through. You can hold it up to the abdominal wall. Also, the other feature on this end is you can see the tabs are readily available. And I'll show you why that's good in a second. And then here you can see the string just goes through a loop. We put a little silk here to hold this. This way you pull the bag shut through one string. Now, the first thing you can see is that the bag will stay open nicely. And that's beautiful. So it goes inside and stays open. And then when you're ready to come out, basically what you do is you just pull the railing. And so you pull the railing here and it slides out of the bag. You pull it through the laparoscope, right through here. Comes out nicely. And then you just pull it through the trocar. Then pull the other side and then the bag just closes right up and then you've got your bag. And so those are the changes. So everything's contained. You can put some sutures through these if you want to. They're pretty sturdy.